Hi guys, welcome back to another video.
Here's why third person is good. You can see in walls. If you are scared and you want to play horror, the jump scare won't show up.
Let's go down with my friend. Alright, let's do this. See. Now I am going to complete horror in third person. What voice do you like more? The goofy or the calm? My friend ain't coming. That goofy boofy monster got me. Did my friend leave? No, he is here. My friend got lost. F in the chat. Oh boy, level 2. I am too fast for them all.
When you too fast, then you can't stop. You start to run until ya drop. With the consequences of making a video, it starts to glitch out before ya start to know. The monster too slow, I am ya know.
I had enough of the rapping. Some of my game is bugged. When am I there? I think I am going to change my voice.
Alright, that is it for today's video. How do I get out?